company is Aridis Pharmaceuticals. We're a biopharmaceutical company in the San Francisco Bay Area. We know this is the world's #1 market for technology, so we're very excited to be on the NASDAQ. Well, this is a very interesting time for our therapeutic area, which is infectious diseases. We think that this area really needs innovation, tremendous innovation that are needed to interject into this therapeutic area. And so we think this is actually a very exciting time because of the lack of new drug candidates. And so we as a company have been developing very innovative anti-infectives that are based on your immune system, the human immune system. And so we find these rare components using our platform technology. And so we think that these drugs are fundamentally new, they're highly differentiated, and they have the potential to really transform the landscape of how we treat infections. So we have products called monoclonal antibodies. So these are immune components that patients make that protect them against an infection. And so we have a technology to discover those. So what we plan to do is to use this to treat the mass, meaning all very life-threatening infection using naturally derived components from the human immune system. So they're safe, and they have very long durability action, and they are effective against antibiotic-resistant strain. So I came from very humble beginning. I came from Vietnam. My grandfather is Chinese, but we have gradually had a belief that fundamentally we need to change how infectious disease are treated. And so from very humble beginning to a place where we now have tremendously talented scientists that are helping to solve some of the world's most challenging problem in infection. And so I couldn't be more prouder of our scientists, and of course our belief is that the opportunity is here to fundamentally improve and advance this therapeutic area. Next year is a very exciting year for the company. We have several clinical projects that will have data readout. And so it is going to provide us the additional evidence that we need to show that these drugs are going to work. And they're going to be tremendously exciting for the whole industry, not just for the company, because these are new therapies. These are fundamentally new. And so next year is going to be potentially a transformative year for the company.